Whole home coverage. An Eero 3-pack is a whole home Wi-Fi system that replaces your router and covers up to 5,000 square. Fort. Works with Alexa. With Eero and an Alexa device, not included, you can easily manage Wi-Fi access for devices and individuals in the home, taking focus away from screens and back to what's important. Works with your internet service provider. Eero connects to your modem to bring your existing internet connection to every corner of your home. Setup in minutes. The Eero app walks you through setup in less than 10 minutes and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. Don't let Wi-Fi slow you down. Get the most from your Wi-Fi by streaming, gaming, and working from anywhere in your home. Gets better over time. Automatic updates keep your network safe and secure. TrueMesh technology. Eero intelligently routes traffic to avoid congestion, buffering, and drop-offs. Easily expand your system. With cross-compatible hardware, you can add Eero products as your needs change. Top reviews from the United States. Best decision ever. Whole house fast Wi-Fi in 20 minutes. Our house has 3 floors plus basement, approximately 5,000 square feet, built in 1893 with plaster walls and other Wi-Fi enemies common to old houses. Family of 6 lived with weak and spotty Wi-Fi for years. Finally fed up, I tried the Eero 3-pack. Extremely satisfied. Solid Wi-Fi in every room on every floor including front porch and backyard. Spectrum 200 megabytes into modem. Wi-Fi speeds range from 50 to 200 megabytes based on distance from nearest Eero unit. Easy setup in 20 minutes. Great customer service before and after purchase, helped with Echo Multiroom Musk setup issue. 25 plus devices connected. Easy to use app for guest access, security and family profiles. Best decision ever.